Engineering. Futuristic Technologies with Stephen the Engineer. Hello and welcome to Engineering. Futuristic Technologies. Today, we're going to be exploring the world of vertical farming, a new method of agriculture that uses stacked layers of crops in a controlled environment, such as a tall building or a shipping container. Vertical farming has the potential to revolutionize the way we grow and distribute food and could help address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as food security, climate change, and urbanization. Let's start by taking a brief look at the history of vertical farming. The concept of growing crops in a vertical arrangement dates back to ancient civilizations, such as the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. However, the modern concept of vertical farming as we know it today emerged in the early 21st century, as a response to the challenges of traditional agriculture, such as land scarcity, water scarcity, and pesticide use. So, what are the benefits of vertical farming? There are many. For starters, vertical farming can produce higher yields per unit of land, since crops can be stacked and grown in a controlled environment without the need for soil. This means that vertical farms can produce food year-round, regardless of weather conditions, and can be located closer to urban areas, reducing transportation costs and emissions. Additionally, vertical farming uses less water and pesticides than traditional agriculture, making it a more sustainable and environmentally friendly option. However, there are also significant challenges to overcome before vertical farming becomes a widespread reality. One challenge is the high capital cost of setting up a vertical farm, which includes the cost of equipment, lighting, and HVAC systems. Another challenge is the need for skilled labor to operate and maintain the farms, as well as the need for new regulations and standards to ensure food safety and quality. What about the future of vertical farming? The possibilities are truly exciting. As technology improves, vertical farming could become even more efficient and cost-effective, leading to greater adoption and integration into our food system. Additionally, vertical farming could be combined with other technologies, such as AI and robotics, to further increase productivity and reduce costs. And that's it for our exploration of vertical farming. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other episodes of Engineering. Futuristic Technologies for more exciting innovations in the world of engineering.